Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price. Features also include keyless entry, heated mirrors, steering wheel controls, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, come test drive the 2015 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, mirror memory, remote trunk release, steel wheels, FWD, headlights auto off. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.